To show you guys this new blind box that was recently gifted to me from the brand Joopy. This is their new character called Koi, and they turned it into a blind box. This is their first blind box from their brand, and it is super cute. It's supposed to be a shy little introverted friend. There is a total of 6 designs with 1 rare secret design as well, and the first one we unboxed was the Quiet Please Collecting Thoughts. All of the designs are super cute and funny. They're supposed to be introverted / shy qualities. I feel like this is the first time I've ever seen a blind box dedicated to introverts, and I think that's pretty cool because it's never been done before, and I also think the character is very cute itself. The second one that we unboxed was actually the secret design, which is the Plans Cancelled, and it looks so funny and cute. If you love cute characters and cute designs, be sure to check them out. They have a ton of different options on their website, and their stuff is super high quality. I love the design of everything, and all of their characters are very adorable. They even have this little character here called Yum Yum Choco Buns. Super cute. It's a little plush pendant. Be sure to check them out. I'll put all their information in the description box if you want to grab any of these for yourself.